All right, I love this problem because students seem to struggle with this, and I want to explain it. So let's do A. Let's look at what we have here. First of all, we have, what are we going to do with 145 gram ball? We're going to change that to what? 0.145 kilograms, correct? Okay, grams bad, kilogram good. The batter hits the ball, leaves the bat, so it's coming one direction at 15, opposite direction. You got to read into these at 20. It wants to know the impulse. So these are fun because impulse, they don't give us newtons, they don't give us seconds, but they give us kilograms and change in velocity. Impulse equals change in momentum. So if I have the impulse, if I have the change in momentum, I have the impulse. If you have one side, you have the other. So it's mass times change in velocity, mass times VF minus VI. My mass, we just decided, was 0.145 kilograms. And my final velocity was negative 20. My initial velocity was 15. And I'm going to have 0.145 kilograms. I'm going to multiply that bad boy by negative 35 meters per second. Fire up the old calculator, and I'm going to get, let's go negative 5.1 newtons. Woo woo. All right. Let's mark this down as poor planning on my part. That was part A. Let's go to part B. Now they want to know the force that the bat had on the ball. They give us time. Be careful. 1.5 milliseconds is 0.0015 seconds. Millisecond, like millimeter. All right, so we know the change in momentum. We just did this because change in momentum, they equal one another. That's what that equal sign means. So F times T equals change in MV, but we just did that. And we got negative 5.1 newtons. Now they're giving us a time of 0.0015 seconds. And my force equals negative 5.1 newtons divided by 0.0015. I'm trying to get force all by itself. Seconds. So that number's already in my calculator. I'm just going to divide. And I'm going to get a force of negative 3,383 newtons, which I probably would just call 3,400 newtons-ish. And don't forget your negative sign. Woo-woo. Woo-woo. Hey, we're done. Woo-woo. Bye-bye.